Just get up. Just get up and walk.
There's a cat in the bag.
Oh. We got our ice cream.
What's the dog wearing?
But there is.
Blood in my mouth.
Alright, got it.
Oh. That felt awesome.
27. Whoa! Ma! Meatloaf! What now? Good morning, guys. So today we're expecting a major snowstorm. We were only expecting a few inches as of yesterday, but I just checked the forecast and they upgraded this storm, and we're looking at 12 to 18 inches, and we're looking for a period this morning where we're getting like 3 inches a minute or an hour. Yeah, not a minute. That's no. We're not gonna die. Yeah, three inches an hour from like 10 to 1. So that's gonna be crazy. If you live in the Northeast and you're watching this, be safe. Hunker down, get some hot cocoa, some marshmallows. Just kind of wait it out. I'm more than likely not going to go to work tonight if I wake up tonight and there's 18 inches of snow in the driveway. Yeah. But anyway, good morning. Guys, I've been on like a tuna kick lately. Like I can't get enough tuna. It's good for you. Except I have to deal with these guys. Because they all think they're entitled to some. And they're not. Spike. Van Dam. It's my tuna. Where was this weather at Christmas time? Why does it got to do it now? It looks nice out there though. And you're awake doing Snapchats? What? Oh God, ew. Don't post that. That's no. Over there. Oh. Carpal tunnel.
It's Allie's fault.
Full of problems over here.
It's Allie's fault.
You're like
Stop.
a hypochondriac, but not.
I'm not.
You
It
just
really hurts.
You just have everything wrong with you all the time.
It's not funny.
No, but you'll be okay, because I put ice there for you.
Miffy Dot Penguin. Snapchat.
No, take care of your injury. The penguin's trying to escape. He's trying to get out. He sees
Wonderland.
he sees the snow, and he's like, "Oh, I need to get out. It's the snow.
I've only been out
I
for
wanna
an
get
hour,
out."
and that's how long
No.
the snow's been, and it's
Stuff.
like, it's crazy out there,
The tree's
guys.
gonna fall.
Let me show you.
Uh-oh.
Look at it.
Chaos.
Look at it. Look at our pine tree. I like our
Happening.
pine tree.
I don't know
Look at this tree.
what it is.
Don't Google what that building is, then you'll find us.
No, don't.
Actually, you can look through all our vlogs. There's several vlogs with our address on it.
Stop saying things like that.
You know Ken's last name? You know my last name?
Shut up.
I try not to say my last name.
No, that's us. Wait. What's that? Oh, okay, we're editing. But yeah, it's bad out there. This is crazy. Shut up. No. Oliver. God damn him. He's being a dum-dum.
So this is the back door. Allie cut out there, of course. This is... Wow. And remember, yesterday it was 60 degrees. I can't even move. She's hopping like a bunny. And I can't even move. Oh, Jesus. Go, Allie, go. The chair fell. It's upside down. You go. Oh my God, it's cold. Are you happy now? You're nuts. She don't even care. You're nuts. Still give a hug. Those little birds in the tree, what the heck? You guys, it's snowing. Are you really enjoying this, Ellie? Can we go back in? Go. Or just stand there. Looking for birds.
She's pissing me off right now. She needs to stop. She needs to stop it.
Trying to get a corn.
She's pissing me off. I made hot dogs and corn? What? Yeah, that's a very weird dinner. But it's gonna taste good because the corn has lots of butter and the hot dogs are kind of fresh.
Hey, when did I get this?
I don't. You know what? Just sit down and calm down. What was wrong with you? You on medication?
I'm trying to get off of it.
That's probably the problem.
This is gonna make me very claustrophobic.
Yeah, you wanted to lay down with me.
Well, I'm just saying, I can't do this right now.
Can't do it right now. Can't do it right now. Not touching you. Not touching you. Not touching.
Fog.
Not touching.
Hot dog fog.
Hot dog fog. Hot dog fog. Do you want to go outside?
Yeah.
Let's go outside then. Come on.
Let's go.
Let's go. No, we're going outside. We're not stopping. Come on.
I have to
keep
stop.
going.
There's a gate.
You can't come. No one likes you. I can't even get over there to her. Oh God. She's never coming in. Oh my God. She's so happy. She's so happy right now. You happy? She's so happy. Go ahead, hon. You can run. You don't know what to do. You're so excited. Look how deep you are. You're nuts. What? You want me to chase you? It's really cold, Allie. Oh my God. Oh, she's so happy. Oh, wow, look at the fence. It's beautiful. You're out of control. Run! 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 He's so cute. It's cold out there, Spike. It's very cold. Yeah, it is. It's very cold. You don't want to go out there. It's bad. It's very bad. Oh my God. Whew. Oh, Van Damme, you look so comfortable.
She hit you in the face, Allie.
What the hell happened over there? What is this?
I don't know if we got flare out of balloon.
What happened? What are we doing? We're looking at your Snapchat.
We're looking at it.
We're looking at your Snapchat. That's good. We're not gonna discuss the mess over there, or why we got this bed out over here, stuff like that. Yeah, this room's a mess. It was clean a minute ago. Why is there paper towel there? There's random paper towel on the floor.
That's what I asked.
I didn't put it there. Did you put it there, ma'am?
The one over there is when she vomited and like caught it. But she like refused to do it.
It's still there. Shout out to Kelly Landry for saying I'm her favorite.
Yeah, she's just saying things.
Yeah, she must be drunk. Kelly Landry's drunk. She doesn't know what she's saying. No, but thank you.
Look, we're cats.
Oh God.